How to change your Facebook password easily. So let's start. Click account option, click setting and privacy, click setting, then click security and login option, then you scroll down and you see change password option. Click change password option or edit. Click edit option. Here we see three options: current, new and retype new. Enter your current password in current option, then you enter your new password in new option, and then retype your new password in retype option, then you click save change option. So your password will be changed now. Thank you.